Hey, I'm gonna remake, beautify this little IKEA stool. It's a bit of a challenge, you know. First start by, of course, by taking things off roughly here and there is take off. I'm gonna take off whatever I can. Maintaining the strength of the thing, of course, you can still use it, but you know, it's a thin thing, so it's gonna be a bit of a challenge. I know myself in the grinder. Once you got the grinder, you then start decorating it and fine-tuning it, you know, refining it. Actually, basically, you know, I don't want to see straight lines. I don't exist out of straight lines, and I don't see hardly any straight lines around me in nature. So I kind of I want to turn them into a romantic thing, organic thing, you know, that could be somewhere in Harry Potter or wherever, because the kind of atmosphere. Well, don't know about Harry Potter, but yeah. And also, like, you know, things that are worked with lots of detail, you know, it's just people pay attention to details and points and I don't know, just detailing. It's all I see around me in nature, you know, a lot of detail, big shapes to tiny little details, also hidden details. You know. There he comes. You know, slowly, you know, also the smalling down a bit the legs, you know, to make them not so straight, but it really helps the thing. It really helps it. And then every leg different, of course. They're not all this. They won't. I think it's the same in my way of working. It's all family, but it's not. I believe in symmetry, but not exact. You know, not perfect symmetry. You know, I don't see that around me. See. I don't know. I think I spent about an hour on the thing well, exactly an hour actually. Well, it's a small little stool, isn't it? And that's, you know, I didn't paint it yet then, and sanded it off properly, fine, but that takes another hour. I think this is the most interesting part, you know, the roughly shaping it and making it, you know, you can eat out whole surfaces with this flex disc. They're great, use a lot of them. Sometimes they break and pieces fly around, so you have to be careful a bit, but, and of course for your hands. Then again, the grinder by itself has its own laws. Grinder is very critical where you put it on your material, so it's very, you can do that wrong if you want to. Yeah, I can make the surface more like a wave in it. It's all little things, you know, just taking off some corners and doing that, but the thing will transform to a whole different atmosphere. So when you get to the end, you know, you start. I mean, I always start off quite rough and just to get it going. And towards the end you get a bit more delicate. There he goes. Even thinking of the comfort of sitting on it and round it off on the top also. So I don't know any. See, my disc now is wearing out a bit. And when it starts burning a little bit. I can actually use it every now and then just to get black lines. Otherwise you get a profile, and I get a profile with a black line in it. That's that can be nice. Always like this part, you know, and really start drawing on the thing instead of taking off and shaping it. But this is like the final touch. That's nice moment. I always work in a certain rhythm that I don't stop to talk to somebody or whatever. Just I don't let myself be disturbed, because I believe in not only having nature as an example for solutions, like design wise, but also working on your own nature, so with your own nature. So if I can get it done in an hour, I don't want to do 3 hours about it and then get interrupted and take breaks and stuff like that. No. Once you start, work to the end. Watch your fingers. Don't even know why I touch it, you know. It's just be in contact with it. Some detailing in the center. There's work to like a center point. It's one of the, well, in this case, it's a hole. But getting to the final things here. Time to look at it and say, oh, it's a bit boring there. Okay, it's an extra. It's an extra. Yeah, why not? Another little carvings. I mean, it's where you step up. If you're going to stand on it, so it may have some extra attention, but this is where you're going to put your feet on. There he is. I hope you liked it and that you have a look at the rest of my channel. Okay, see you.